All right, you guys, I decided I was going to open up the refrigerator since I opened up one mini brand. Fill the fridge. We're going to open up the refrigerator. But first, I'm going to show you what I got from the previous ball I opened. This is the IHOP burger and fries. This is the IHOP burger and fries. This is the juice. Some sort of orange. It look like I got lemons and some type of berries or some at the top. But this is the juice. This is the Jello. Strawberry. This is a strawberry Jello, of course. This is a fruit tray, like kiwi, orange, strawberry, stuff like that. Yep, this is a fruit tray. This is a Cool Whip. You know the Cool Whip. This one is fish. We got a fish, fresh fish. And here is the magnet. We also get a magnet in the ball. This is a magnet to go on the refrigerator. So let's open this up real quick. Oh, I guess that's it, huh? How do you open it? Oh, you got to take this off. Okay. Hold on, you guys. There's a second paper we have to take off. Hold on, you guys. All right, let's take off the second one. Okay. Let's see. We got some minis in here. This is what the bottom looks like, the top. These can actually come out. Look at that. These can actually come out. These they can open here and here. Oh, look at the refrigerator. The tray's got to go in here. So we're finna do that. Here is the thing. I told you we get, here it is. We do get a Jello with it. I'm going to make that later, but we do get a Jello. We do get one, and we also get, I think we get a magnet. And this is how you fill your fridge with stuff like this. And guess what? I know it's coming. I know it's coming. Look at that. Look at the stove. This is the oven. We're going to get a cabinet. Look at the sink. Look at the stove. These are coming, and I'm so excited. Look at the stove and the oven. I think this may be I don't know what that one is. That looks like a stove. But, I mean an oven. But this looks like a stove and oven. I'm not quite sure what this one is. But I know this is a stove in the oven. Look at the cabinet. Look at the sink. I cannot wait. I cannot wait till this comes. But let's get started. Let's put all of this in here. Okay. It's giving us directions. Y'all, I am so excited. Y'all just don't know. I'm excited. I am so freaking excited about this. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, let's open this up. Here, this is the thing to make the Jello. And here is the Jello tray. And this is, I think, is the another magnet. A magnet came with the refrigerator. Oh no, this is the plate. This is the plate to put the Jello on. I thought that was a magnet. Okay, that is it. Hold on. Here, oh, this also comes with it. This is a strawberry vanilla. One of those viral soda pop things you can get at Walmart. That came with it as well. And now here is, I think this is a little spoon thingy. And now here's the magnet. A watermelon. That's the magnet. Okay, let's put this together. I think there's this. I think this goes in here. I think that's how it goes. Okay. I think these trays goes in here like this. Hold on, let me show you. I think that's how it goes, yes. This one goes at the bottom. Wait. Oh no, wait. This one goes up here. These goes right here. This one goes here. And this goes here, I think. Wait. Right. I want to make sure that goes like that. And this is the light. I don't know. How do you turn the... Oh, by closing it. I don't know what that is for. I don't know what this is for. I don't know what that's for. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause it. Okay, you guys, we are going to put this stuff in here just for now. Then I'll organize it once I start getting more. Let's see, can this go in here? No. Oh, yep, Jello can go in there. Fill the fridge. Look at that. Awesome. This is fish. We all know fish goes at the bottom. There. We know this goes in here. See? We got that. And we got the drink. That goes there. Wait a minute. Okay, that goes right there. I didn't know we had this. That can go like literally right there. And we already got our little fridge with stuff in it, so I will come back. Let's put the magnets on there. On the refrigerator, we're gonna fill our fridge with magnets. And there we go. We have our refrigerator. I forgot about the bottom. But yeah, this is what we have for right now. This is what we have in our fridge. Come back. I will make the Jell-O. It came with like 3 oranges. I don't know if you can see those little oranges. But come back and I will be making the Jell-O with you guys. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful, blessed day.